Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I went on Friday to pick up some items for our lunch during the work week. Since the whole pandemic thing, our hospital has shut down all food services except for patients. So we no longer buy our lunches in the cafeteria. Anywho, so went to pick that up and again pick up some items for that I use in my laundry. And I found some other stuff and I thought I would share with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. With that, I'm going to get these two breakable items out of the way first. So, I hadn't seen these at anybody's hauls, and I think I can use them in the craft room just as decor, nothing else. But they have these little, I don't know which one to call them, bottles with these cute lids on them. Ugh. So they had the seashell and they had the starfish. So I got this one and I got the starfish. And so yeah, they'll go somewhere in the craft room. Don't know where, but somewhere. So no, it's not an essential item, but you know, it is what it is. So there are those. And I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I doubt I'm going to use them for ice trays. I don't know. But they're putting their summer like luau stuff out. And so they had this toucan. And if you look closely, you can see like the toucan images in there. And then of course they had the flamingo, which is what I saw first. So I picked one of each up of those. They had a bag of shred. It's not a very pretty color, but I thought it was something that I can mix in with like some shiny shred that I've got. Just to use in some packages, so grab that. I picked these spoons up to use in like sequin mixes, embossing powder, you know, stuff like that. Granted, I did get, well, where did I put it? I guess I put it away. I did get that one spoon, you know, from Tonic the other day, but I don't like to mix. I don't know, I'm just weird that way. I don't like to mix stuff, so and I've hauled these in the past, but it's been a long time. But they're just little spoons, so grabbed those. This is going in some happy mail, my dear sweet friend. I love you, girl. I saw this and it's not pink. Well, there's pink in the rainbow, but there's no pink. Those of you that know her, you know the running joke on pink. So anywho, so there's that little cutie. These say Self-Adhesive Stencils. I don't know that I'll use them quote unquote as an adhesive. But I really liked these flowers right here. And I liked this one here. I don't know, sorry for the glare, how often or if I'll ever use this one, but for $1 I thought I'd bring it home and, you know, I'll put it in my stencil stash, and I know for a fact I'll use this one. I just think that's absolutely beautiful, especially using a tiny stencil brush to do the detail work. Or shoot, I can even use the itty bitty blending brushes that I got from Tonic. So that'll be fun. Got that. This isn't a big haul. I thought this would be nice to have just for boredom. I don't have the big spirograph or, you know, the big set. I've always wanted it. My friends as a little kid had them, and that was always the one thing I wanted to play with. But I grabbed this little set. I figured I could play with it if I'm bored. And yeah, I think there's even, you know what, let's open this one up. Let's see. Those of you who have never seen one, which I'm sure you guys have, put that there so I can get it in the trash. Get this stuff off. Yeah, it's got a little pocket in there. Oh, that's nice. Okay, hold on. So, I think, am I right? Yes. So you can store your little doodads down in here, which I think is awesome. Move the little spoons. And then this guy sits on top. You tuck your paper inside, close it up. Here, let's see. We'll get this one out. And do I have a let's see. So for $1, I think that's pretty awesome. Nothing fancy schmancy, but if you're into geometrics and that kind of stuff, well, there you go. So, got that little guy. Sorry if I seem a little I've already taken my medicine and it's kicking in, my nighttime stuff, and so yeah. Anywho, so picked that up. The 4th of July stuff is coming out, and so they had these awesome paper straws. So I picked up one of each. I almost got a couple of these because I just think they're so wonderful, but I was like, yeah, you know, I'll just get one of each. So got those guys. And then the best part. I picked up multiples of these for the itty bitties across the street, and apparently they were a big hit. They also had some Disney like paint by numbers that I picked up and sent over there because I know that, you know, her little people are getting bored, so I figured they could use some extra activities. But I also found these, and I didn't realize I picked up 2 of the Toy Story, but hey, who remembers color forms? I loved these as a kid. And no, I don't have any babies right now, but as those of you know, I'm slowly picking things up. But for $1, this I thought was just a fantastic deal. If you don't know what color forms are, basically they come with scenes, and then these are supposed to be like stickers, but they're cling. So you can put them down and move them around. You don't have to worry about them sticking it on your furniture or your walls, you know, mess like that. But I so loved these as a little kid. So when I saw these, it was just like an immediate, I gotta grab them. So I picked up the Frozen. Apparently, I really like Toy Story, although I haven't seen Toy Story 4. But I got 2 of the Toy Story. They had a Jurassic World, and then they had the My Little Pony. I gotta tell you, the new My Little Ponies, I don't like them. They don't look anything like the My Little Pony when I was a little girl. They're just, I don't think they're as cute as the ones I had as a little girl. Anywho, this is what's included in the My Little Pony. This is what's included for the dinosaur. Here is Toy Story. Again, I grabbed 2 of those. And then Frozen. And that's it. That is my haul. Later this week, I'm going to do a collective haul. It is stuff from eBay, stuff from Amazon, stuff from Dollar Tree, but it's not craft. It is, as you've noticed, I've been collecting things from my childhood, and it's because when I was a little girl, and I always went to my grandparents, they always had the neatest stuff for us to play with. And I'm getting stuff from when I was little to have on hand. Oh, and I'm getting storybooks. So I'll be sharing that as well. Some of them are from when I was a kid. Some of them are new that I just thought were so adorable and I needed to have on hand. But, and again, no, I don't have grandchildren yet. I am just preparing because my oldest is married. They've been married 4 years. They're kind of waiting till his wife is kind of closer to graduating. She's going to vet school. So it's kind of like a doctor. She's already completed, she actually graduates pre-med next month. And then goes on to vet school. So they're waiting till she's closer to completing that before kids, which I'm fine with. I wanted all my babies to, be settled in life before rushing into children. My ex and I, we were married 2 months when we got pregnant. So granted, I love that I'm quote unquote young and I got to enjoy my children. But, having kids young makes it really hard on the marriage. Anywho. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. I'm collecting things that I know that I enjoyed as a little kid. And everybody's so technology based. There's not a lot of hands-on. And so I want to get stuff that's hands-on play. So that when they come to Grandma's house, it's stuff that they're not going to find out and about. Granted, it's probably going to be 5 to 10 years before I have grandbabies, but I still plan on being the fun grandma, because I got to tell you, my grandparents, they were amazing. They're still amazing. I have one set of grandparents left, and my father's side, they've passed away, but my mother's side, the ones that did a lot of the grandparent stuff, I hope I can be half the grandparents that they are, because they are just, they're amazing. I love them to pieces. And I get emotional because they're in their 80s, so I know, there's not a lot of time left, so anyway, I love them. That is it for Dollar Tree. Nothing real exciting. But I wanted to share this with you guys before I head off to bed. I hope everybody's doing okay. If you have sent entries in and got a notification that was delivered, I got a notification yesterday that I had 2 deliveries, but I didn't see them till after. So my listed address is a UPS store, so I am limited to their hours. So I didn't see it till after they closed, and they're closed on Sundays. So I know that there's 2 waiting to be picked up when I get off work tomorrow. I assume that there will probably be a few more. So there will, more than likely, there will be a memory decks video tomorrow. And I think there's going to be quite a few this week. So keep an eye out for those. And that's it. I'm going to close it here. because I need to go crawl into bed. I hope you guys have a good week. I hope everybody is safe. Everybody's healthy. You're all doing good. And with that, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.